I'm Miss Susan. I am a teacher here at Children of America, and I want to welcome you to Children of America. First, let me start by saying how much myself, the staff, we all miss you. We cannot wait for you to return. In the meantime, Children of America is going to be doing some videos to keep you in contact with us. So let's get started. I'm doing science. Today we're going to be making a rain cloud. Have you ever seen a rain cloud up in the sky? Did you ever notice the color? Well, we're going to start. First thing that we need a container of water. Fill the container clear, please. Fill it up a little more than halfway in the container. You're going to be needing some food coloring and some gel food coloring. I chose glitter. Glitter makes a mess. Mess equals fun. And some shaving cream. Now, I learned previously, shaving cream, we can't use too much of it. If we use too much shaving cream, we're not going to get the effects that we want to, and the results being able to see the raindrops coming down. So we're going to use a little shaving cream. Remember, science is trial and error. Okay, we're going to start there. Then we're going to add our regular, I chose blue, food coloring. And we're going to put, I don't know, we're 4 years old, 5 years old, let's put 4 or 5 drops in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you notice something happening? Suddenly, the food coloring is going past the clouds and into the water. Let's see what happens when we add a little bit of the gel glitter. Notice not only is it dripping down, but it's becoming more and more. That looks so pretty. Do you see the difference between the solid, the liquid, and down at the bottom now are all those beautiful raindrops coming from this beautiful cloud. Rain clouds are necessary in order for our flowers and our plants and our trees to grow. I like it. I hope you had a great time with this experiment. Use it for your brothers, your sisters, your friends. Show it off to your mom and your dad. Let them know what it is that you can and can't do. It is one of our lesson plans, so each teacher will be able to help you out if you need a hand. Reach out, and we'll reach out to you. See you soon.